welcome back. Our epoxy's now dried, and now we're ready to sand off the epoxy and then sand the rest of this off. So I already did one, and as you can see, it turned out pretty decently. So I'll show you how I do this. I'll start it off, and then we'll go probably away and then come back. But all I do is sand it. I'm using 80 grit. Really what I'm trying to do is just remove as much of the epoxy off the surfaces that I can. You don't want to go too fast with the rotary on this, otherwise it kind of melts the epoxy and it doesn't do as good a job, I don't think. But it really doesn't take a whole long time to get it where you need it to be. At this point in time, I'll probably call with the 80 grit, this is all I'm going to do. So we'll change over to a different grit, probably 120, and see how that works on it. And I'll just continue sanding it until I get it all ready for finish. So I'll continue doing that, and I'll come back and then we'll be ready to show you how I do the finish on it. See you in a bit. Okay guys, we're back. I've sanded these down to 220. And now we're ready to put some finish on them. I've been using this water-based Crystalac for a while. I really kind of like it. You know, it is what it is. But I like to wipe it kind of on with a rag, especially on stuff like this. It's so small. And then just let it kind of even in through your edges. It soaks it. This thing is really soaking it in. And I'll do probably about 3, 4, 5 coats like this. Make sure you do the back. Otherwise it's going to want to probably warp on you. And being that these will probably have liquid on them, you don't want that to happen. So just sit there and do that. Just keep on putting the finish on. Especially these edges, they love to soak it in. And after you got that all done, just let them set, put another coat on, and then when you're finally all done, put felt on the back of them to protect your furniture. And there you go. We're done with this project. Custom coasters. As you can see, they turned out pretty nice. I'm happy with them. You can see how they look. Turned out really nice. So, there you go. We're done with our project for this month. Hope to see you back for next month's project. Remember, you can find all of this stuff at nextwaveautomation.com. They got the plans, the videos, and for it there. So, I'm happy to have you with me. Hope you had a good, enjoyable time of watching this, and hope to see you next month. Thank you.